hope I am reaching you all in good spirits today. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we are going to make a mirror. This mirror is going to be rose gold. It's going to be a rose gold mirror, and a friend of mine asked me, could I make it? So you all know the answer was yes. So what we are going to use in this DIY is going to be this mirror from Michaels. Some of these rose gold mirror towels from DaFlar.com. We're also going to use these popsicle sticks and the backing of a mirror that I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use some glue sticks and my handy dandy glue gun. So y'all, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take the mirror and turn the mirror over. I'm going to use this picture frame and I'm going to take this part off. Doesn't have to be perfect or whatever, just take it off. And then I'm going to put some glue on it. And I'm going to use this for the backing to hang the mirror up. Y'all, this glue gun I had gotten from off of Amazon previously. And the thing is this glue gun was given to me, well, actually the people asked me to do a review on it. So I'm gonna link it in the description box because a lot of people have been asking about this glue gun. Y'all, it is awesome. So it was like the best thing that they could have given me because I mean, I use it every day, as y'all can see. So what we're gonna do is take these tiles and we're going to get our design, which I am going to do 2 rows around the mirror. Okay, so let's just pretend that I finished around the mirror. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm not going to do all of this on camera because it's just kind of repetitive, so all we're going to do is place our popsicle stick at the end of the first tile, the 2 tiles, and just place them across there like that. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah. Then we're going to do our second one, and so on. So this is how we're going to of course I recommend that you completely set it up first before you start gluing. I did a mirror similar to this, so I'm a little bit familiar. So like I said, you take the popsicle sticks, glue the popsicle sticks on, and get as close to the end as you can for support. The popsicle sticks that I'm seeing at Dollar Tree, y'all, I think they are getting thinner and thinner. So, you know, the ones at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, or whatever, I use those for projects really that I'm gonna, you know, like really keep for a long time. The only reason I'm using these popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree on her project is because she does a lot of DIYs as well, so she knows how to, you know, deal with this. But if it was for someone else and I could find those popsicle sticks, because actually Walmart was out, so if I can find them, that's what I use. So I'm just telling y'all that'll be you know, better. She and I, I'm really tripping now, but she and I use these popsicle sticks on DIYs because we know, and sometimes the glue, we know that we're gonna, you know, reuse these. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and do all of this, and then I'm gonna come back and show you all how it looks from the back. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how it's looking so far. I want to just tell you that if you are doing this project and you want perfection, or you want what you call perfection, then what you should do is take like go to Lowe's and get some mirror cut so that you are able to get the tiles the exact same length as the mirror. Now with me, I had already had these tiles, I already had the mirrors, so my goal here is not to show you perfection, but it is to give you inspiration and you know, give you an idea on how you can achieve the look. So what we're going to do is turn the mirror around. And when you're turning this mirror around, you want to go in the middle. You don't want to put too much pressure on that part. You just go in the middle and you flip that mirror over and you lay that mirror down as flat as you possibly can, because like I said, this is not anything that is going to be permanent. So the next thing we want to do is clean off the mirror. But I don't think, well, I guess I'll go ahead and clean off the mirror, but I'm just showing you how to turn the mirror over so that you won't disrupt what's going on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the mirror and we'll finish the project. Okay, so Glam Fam, we have this mirror, and so we're going to try to push it to the side just a little bit. These items, I'm going to do something I've never done before, and because I'm into the 3D type of stuff or whatever. So I'm going to take this old little box. It's like a little storage drawer or whatever from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go ahead and use some of the clear glue to I'm going to use some of this clear glue to do the diamond confetti. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this dry. Once it dries, then we'll be able to, you know, like go ahead and finish everything, which I don't think is, I'm gonna do a whole lot. I just wanted to experiment with some 3D looks and stuff like that. So hopefully this will be something that I get deeply into, because I'm really loving this look. And if you, and I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna get into it too, because I did do one with epoxy resin, and really it is supposed to be done with epoxy resin, but because I'm going to reuse some of these items in future DIYs, I'm only using the clear glue. So if I get into it deeply, then I will be using the epoxy resin so that, you know, I can actually sell these items. So let's let this dry and then we'll come back and finish the rest of the DIY. Stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our mirrored wall art turned out. Y'all, I am very, very pleased with the outcome, although I'm going to, I could have cleaned it a little bit more, and I am going to clean it a little bit more. I'm going to try to perfect it a little bit, but this is just to give you the idea. I'm going to keep doing this until I get it right. My idea was to have the perfume bottle spilled over, and so this bottle as well. So the point is to have it like kind of like a 3D effect, like it is you know, spilling out the bottle for real. So I hope you all like what you see. If you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.